Hi Easton, good morning and hope you're keeping good today. Well, I'm making this quick recording to explain you on a few things. You sent 2 points for the reach network and 2 points for the reach approach. Reach approach is pretty straightforward. I'm supposed to just shuffle the order of slider so the pictures are freshen up. The website is freshen up with the change in pictures and then adding some in the what's new section, which is fine. We are doing it. It will be completed today. I'll send you a separate email once that is done. This specific recording is for the Reach Network (TRN). So TRN, first of all, how you want to make somebody disabled, active or deactive in membership. So in the backend there is an option called AR membership. So you have to click on manage members. Under AR membership, after login, you have to click on manage members, and here you see I already inactivated it. If you want to inactivate somebody, you just have to take your mouse here, click on edit membership. For example, I am clicking for Eastern. Obviously, I'll not do it. And then here at the backend, it's active. You just make it inactive by switching it here and then save it. That's it. The person will become. It will not delete the user. Just make it inactive, but inactive is sufficient because the member will not be able to log in anymore. Uh, if you want to still keep it active, you can just change the password as well. But the best is just make it inactive. So this one has been inactivated, and you can see by admin this has been inactivated. It's written as well. So that's one thing. It's under AR members, manage members. I can always do that for you, but if you want to do it yourself at any point, this is pretty straightforward. Second thing about here, about the TRN, same TRN website, uh, the uh, the synchronization of images on various categories, these boxes. Now, for example, if I come under Reach Fact Sheet here, can you see these pictures are of same size, but still this one is taking uh, one space more, one row more basically, and this one as well, but this one not. Now, let me tell you, this is kind of managing the space better because see, I'm not sure if I will be able to explain it, but let me try. You, when you read this, we all want to reach the destination with as little efforts as possible. We are all hoping for the miracle that will instantly solve our. Then whatever the words here, it must be either too big that it cannot fit in here. So it just, the automatic system just closed it here, but here, after the living, the next word was possible, but obviously not possible to fit in here. So that's why the optimally came and then the read mode came here. So you can see here that if you increase somehow one more word here, so maybe just change the wording after R, maybe add a bigger word or maybe remove just a little bit of tweak will fix it. So then it will take one more word will push it one more line, and then this will come at the same level where this these two, and because it's in a column, this has come up, so this has come up, so this has come up, so it looks like everything has come up. If you just fix one, everything will get fixed. Same way you can see if there is a problem in any other as well. So wherever you see four lines, like this one is in four lines, this one is in four lines, this one is in three lines, so you try to make that in four lines. Otherwise, if there are two of four lines and one of three lines, you try to tweak the one which is an odd one. So just tweaking a language, and it is only the starting it picks up, the starting few one line it picks up from the article. So if you just try to tweak that, it will automatically fix it. And just by fixing one or two article, like if you fix this one only introduction, it will mostly fix everything on this page. Maybe one more you'll have to fix, this one maybe, this the one which, yeah, this one, the one which come in three line. Otherwise everything is in four line. You can see this one, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So all is in four line except this one. If you just try to tweak the word which comes after root of, it'll be fine, and if you try to tweak which comes after hour, it'll be fine. So this is how you can try fixing it, and try doing it, because it's pretty easier for you to do it, because I will not be able to do the language change that easily. It can make the entire article look odd if I try to change the wordings without letting you know. So if you play around with only few articles there, it will be fine. Same goes here. Reach research. On the reach research, you can see this one is in same height and width. This one, okay. Now because the first one has three line again, you can see three. This one has four. This one has four. So obviously it has gone up. So because of this has gone up. Now thankfully, this one has four lines, while these two has three lines. So below that, I mean the balance has been achieved. But if you just fix this one, make it in four lines, and then make these two also in four lines, and whatever. I mean, if the four lines are more, try to make the three lines into four lines. That will help you to make you know these in synchronization, because the picture size is same. If you try to see, there is no difference in these three pictures. It is only the lines which makes the difference. Sometimes it is the title as well. Like you see this title, this comes in two lines. This title comes in two lines. Title, you will have to make it a rule that it has to fit into one line, because if the title is in two line, it's not going to work. It will always take a two space, and then some most of the titles are in one line. So if any title are in two line, that will just messed up the entire look and feel of entire page. So this is pretty straightforward. Make the title in one line. Thereafter, see which one the system is picking up into three lines instead of four, and then try to tweaking that word which comes almost at the last a little bit, and that will solve the problem. And that's exactly same problem here as well. Now here is again, this is title two lines, two lines. If you try to fix that, this is again in two lines. Like on this page, all the problems of a title, because all descriptions are in four lines. So it's not a problem of description; it's a problem of titles. You need to shorten the titles here. I think that's all. Thank you. Try doing that. If that works for you, let me know. Thank you.